Richie Young with Wiedas Marine here, folks. Today I want to show you our latest 920 ProXP Phoenix, right in from the factory today. Come on through and I'll show you all about it. This one here has got the Galaxy Ice, black ice with royal blue pins. Of course, we can color match the decals if you like to your spec. Come on through. We have the Helix Humminbird 12 SI here at the dash. Helix 10 DI at the bow. Of course, the Ultrex trolling motor. Let's go walk through the boat here and I'll show you about the 920, folks. Start at the back here. You got your big deep side storage boxes here in the back, both sides. Bilge area back here, got your power pole pumps, spare prop holder here, trolling motor batteries, charger over there in the corner, plenty of room to get things done back there. Nice and clean. Large separated live wells, autonomous live wells, each live well on its own there. No divider. Center storage compartment here. You got your 2 day boxes right here. Put your hooks and sprays and dies and hook sharpeners, things in there. Passenger rod box here. Put your poles for your top in there. Or rods, it'll hold up to 4 rods in there. I put my crappie rods in there in springtime. I can put like a 12-foot crappie rod in there. Or you can use it for extra storage. Come up here. There's your bump board. Measuring your fish. Again, all stainless latches in all Phoenixes. Center storage here. Of course, LED light, plus you got an additional snake light right there. Got your chip clips up here, and place to hold your spinner baits, that's your jigs right there. Got a little bow storage up here. Crankbaits, plastics, raincoats, things like that. Again, all stainless lid pistons in the Phoenix. Anything in it can be stainless in a Phoenix is stainless. Port side rod box, got your boost rack rod storage in there. Got place for 14 tips up there in the front. You can actually put more than that if you use stick jackets. And this side here can either be storage or more rod storage, however you want to do it. Your lights are clipped in here, back lights right there. Plenty of room up here on this big front deck. Plenty of room, two guys stand side by side up here. Fish side by side or going down a bluff bank, things like that. A lot of big deck up here. Nice thing about the Phoenix front deck, where a lot of boats talk about having a big wide front deck, but then the rod handles are all the way back up here. But with the Phoenix, your rod handles are back there, so you still have plenty of room up here in the bow of the boat. Again, like I said, this has always been my favorite boat. I had like 5 of these, and I just love this 920. You got your net storage here on the floor. It's all also as a drain. Your net slides in there, gets out of the way. Hot foot's on a slider, tilt wheel. This one has the dual dash set up in it, so we can actually put 2 units side by side on that dash without having to have mounts or anything like that. Of course, we can custom rig anything you want here at Wiedas Marine. If you're interested in this boat or any of the other ones we have, give us a call. Wiedas Marine, 859-647-BOAT. That's 859-647-2628. Take care.